Have you ever felt like the world is moving just a little bit too fast, Dami?
Every single day, Goodluck. It feels like I wake up and there's a new language I'm supposed to speak. AI, chatbots, algorithms. I'm still over here looking for the dictionary.
Well, you're in the right place. I'm Goodluck Emmanuel.
And I'm Damilola. Welcome to the Phronesis AI podcast, where we break down AI in simplest ways possible.
In ancient Greek, Phronesis means practical wisdom. It's not just about being the smartest person in the room. It's about knowing how to live well and use the tools you have.
And today, we're taking that big, scary cloud called artificial intelligence and turning it into something you can actually hold in your hand.
We're going to find the magic mirror in your pocket.
A magic mirror? You've been reading too many folk tales, Goodluck.
Maybe, but listen to this. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Amina. She was brilliant, but she was overwhelmed, trying to start an interior design business, caring for family, learning 1,000 things at once.
Sounds like every woman I know in Lagos right now.
Exactly. One Saturday, she was clearing out her grandmother's attic. It was dusty, smelling like old books and rain. Under a heavy velvet cloth, she found an old mirror. But when she wiped away the dust, she didn't see her own tired eyes. She saw a soft, glowing light.
Okay, I'm intrigued. What did she do?
She whispered to it, "Mirror, I don't know how to write a business plan for my shop." And the mirror didn't laugh. It didn't make her feel small. Words began to swirl on the glass. It showed her the steps, color palettes she'd never dreamed of, even how to handle difficult customers.
That sounds like a dream, but let's be real. Life isn't a fairy tale.
You're right. Amina realized it wasn't a mirror that could think for itself. It was a mirror that had seen every book ever written and every lesson ever learned. It was a reflection of us, of all humanity. It was just waiting for Amina to ask the right question.
I've never thought of it that way. So what you're saying is AI is the mirror?
Precisely. When you hear artificial intelligence, stop thinking about cold metal robots from the movies. Think of that mirror.
So it's not a brain, it's a library?
A giant one. It's read the history of Nigeria, Kenya, Canada, the Bahamas, the recipes of our grandmothers, and the blueprints of the greatest buildings. Imagine shrinking every teacher and expert you've ever known until they fit inside your smartphone.
Wow. But is it dangerous? Is it going to take my job?
It isn't alive, dummy. It doesn't have feelings. It's a tool, like a hammer or a car. A car helps you go faster than your legs. AI helps your brain go further than your memory. If you're a decorator, it's an extra set of eyes. If you're a student, it's a tutor that never gets tired.
I like that. The phronesis, the wisdom, is realizing that AI is the mirror, but we are the ones standing in front of it. Without us, it's just glass.
Clock it. Now, I don't want people to just listen to us talk. Dami, are you ready to try it?
Okay, I love that. My phone is out. Let's do this.
If you're listening at home and you aren't driving, pull out your phone. Step 1, go to your app store and download ChatGPT or go to gemini.google.com. These are the mirrors we use today, and they are free.
Okay, I'm on the site. What do I say? Do I need to be formal?
No, talk to it like a friend. Type this. "I'm a bit nervous about using AI. Can you explain what you are, but imagine I am a 5-year-old child?"
Oh, it says it's like a super smart helper who has read lots of books and wants to help me find answers. That's actually kind of cute.
Now, push it further. Tell it, "That was good. Now explain the same thing, but use an analogy about making a big pot of jollof rice."
Wait, it's actually doing it. It says the AI is like the spice rack. It has everything, but I'm the chef who decides how the party is going to taste.
See? The AI changed its entire personality to match what you needed. That's the secret. It's the only tool in history that adapts to the human instead of making the human adapt to the tool.
I could stay here all day. I'm going to ask it why the sky is blue and then ask it to write a poem about my hometown, Abekuto.
Go for it. It never gets annoyed. It's there to reflect your curiosity.
So, what's the homework for this week, Goodluck?
Simple. The mirror is waiting. You don't need to be a scientist, you just need to be a human with a question. Once a day, ask it one thing you're curious about. You can't break it.
I think I can handle that.
I'm Goodluck Emmanuel.
And I'm Damilola.
This is the Phronesis AI podcast. Next week, we're going to talk about how to turn this mirror into your super fast intern so you can stop doing the boring work and start doing the big work.
Stay curious, stay wise.
And we'll see you next week.